Good morning. I went on a run. I had therapy. I've had lots of coffee, and I'm going to show you how I make my favorite protein pancakes. No one asked for this, but I'm going to show you anyway. Honestly, this is so easy to do. It's not revolutionary by any means, but I wanted to share nonetheless. The foundation to this is any kind of protein pancake mix. This is what I have on hand. Pretty good. I'm gonna add a half a cup. Then a scoop of literally any protein powder that you have. I like to stick to kind of like the chocolate, vanilla, cookies and cream, cinnamon, peanut butter flavors. I feel like those go really well in smoothies and protein pancakes. I've got cookies and cream, and I do a scoop in there. Then I like to add in some cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla extract, and water. This is a half cup here, but just do it a little bit at a time. Definitely need all of that, okay? You need to add in a little bit more. I like my pancakes really like doughy and battery, which is probably not good for me and my stomach because, as you know, I've got like ridiculous stomach issues and I don't know what's causing them. I like my pancakes really like doughy and battery. I think it might be hummus, like chickpeas, but we'll see. I kind of like it to be a little bit thick in consistency. And then add in frozen blueberries. I don't know. It's like a quarter cup. And here it is. Beautiful. Oh yeah, baby. Thick, thick, thick. Let's see how they're doing. Oh my God, look at that perfection. You're kidding me. I've never done it this well before. Wow. Sorry, but like, who let me make protein pancakes this perfectly? I mean, this is just something that I crave so often. It keeps me so full. It's like the freaking best breakfast ever. I really was flirting with the idea of dressing cute right now, but I'm gonna go to the thrift store and it's freezing out for some reason. Definitely not wearing that green top anymore. Ew, I'm like breaking out a ton. So I think I'm getting my period soon, but I have an IUD, so I actually don't get my period. I just get like the symptoms. Fun fact. Update, Nick is out of town for the next few weeks. He's going home for the first time since December of 2019. Isn't that fucking crazy? So really excited for him. I'm like gonna date myself for the next few weeks. I'm going thrifting today. I wanna go to the farmer's market. I've got a bunch of stuff that I need to put on tape. I just wanna like date myself, treat myself, eat good. Yeah, that's what I'm doing for the next few days. And then next week, I'm going to the beach house and I'm meeting up with the girls for Memorial Day weekend. So it's about to be the best few weeks ever. Okay. Let's go thrifting, shall we? We shall. Guys, I keep hitting the thrift jackpot and I don't know what's happening. I'm getting an ego from it. I'm obviously stoked, but the thrift gods are real and they've been with me for a while now and I'm not even gonna lie. Hold up. I did just wash my hands in there, but you can never be too careful. I'm gonna do a whole try on, but I have to go to Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna do that first. But oh my God, wait, why am I putting this on? I'm driving. Let's go. TJ's. Bye. I don't vlog and drive. I'm gonna let future me handle the try on portion of the thrift haul because present me just picked the shit out of my face and I couldn't be bothered. Let's just do this, okay? I love this first little skirt, literally $3.49. I thought this was so like sporty spice. Very into like the pink chiffon kind of style, and I found this midi skirt that was just so beautiful. Very, very lightweight, just such a good length. And that was $6.99. I think that's perfect for summer. This one I thought was really interesting, this like knit striped button-up top, and I thought this could be really cute, like leaving it open and wearing a bra underneath it, like a cool little bralette. has some different texture, like lace or something like that, or a bathing suit. I just really like the colors. This one I'm really stoked about. I love this kind of retro neckline. It's got a slight V-neck cut. I can't really describe it, but it's kind of like a chiffon midi black dress, and I thought this would be so perfect for literally any occasion ever. I could just see myself wearing this for the rest of time, and it's just such a timeless piece. This one gives me Mandy Moore in Princess Diaries on the beach. Another kind of colorful midi length skirt. I love the color, love the floral, love the length. I hope this fits me because it's fucking sick. This is a Ralph Lauren leopard print dress. Same kind of neckline that I love. This is kind of similar. It's like a high neck, very thin like strap. It's got this like ruching on the side, which I hope is really flattering. I can't wait for this. Like I feel like this came right out of the 90s. This last item, I texted my girls and I was like, is this heinous? And they said no. So I'm gonna try it and try to make this work. It is this jean jumpsuit, okay? It's got like some nice ties up here. Love this belt. I don't know how this is gonna look on me, but I see it with white boots, big ass hair, funky sunglasses like these, and I just feel like that's such a good time. I don't know about this. Although the flowers are beautiful, I went to the farmer's market specifically to get sashimi grade salmon because I'm gonna make a poke bowl tonight. I'm gonna show you how I do it. It's not gonna be freaking perfect because this is the second time I've ever made it, but I found this recipe online with this amazing dressing to coat the salmon in. I'm going to put steamed white rice. We're gonna have some of the radishes that I bought, green onion, lettuce, avocado. It's gonna be so good. Once you have your salmon prepped, we're gonna put it in a bowl. Add these in. Put it to the side for now. I'm gonna thinly slice some green onion and add that in. I'm adding in like a tablespoon-ish of sesame oil and soy sauce. I only have these packets, and thank God I did because I literally would have had to go to the store again. Add in some lime juice and sriracha. I'm gonna gently mix this, and normally you do wanna have rice vinegar. I don't have any, so I'm gonna do this and then taste it and see if I need to add anything else. It's perfect, insane. Whoops, I almost forgot. I mean, I kind of popped off with this. Like, what the heck? This was so easy to prep. I think it took me like 10 minutes. It would have taken me less time if I wasn't filming. I do think the white rice vinegar or rice vinegar is necessary because it needs like some acid to cut through. That's why I added extra lime. So definitely check out the full recipe below. Full credit to whoever it was. I can't remember whose recipe it was, but I'll have it below. This has just been like the best day. Wow, it really has. I'm gonna eat this now. Okay, morning. Vitamin gummy time. These are definitely from the kids section at Trader Joe's. All I do is go from the kitchen to the living room, and I'm very sorry about that, but it's time to make a smoothie because you wouldn't be watching an emmafranceslev video if I didn't make a protein smoothie. That's just the way it is. But instead of my usual green banana almond butter spinach one, I'm gonna show you how I make my mint chocolate chip one, which is just as good. Very, very good. Do you hear that? Talk about us. For this smoothie, you need 1 banana, 1 to 2 cups of spinach, 1 cup of almond milk, a few handfuls of mint leaves, and then this is the thing that makes it mint chocolate chippy. If you don't have this, that's totally fine. I would recommend adding in like cacao nibs or something, or like cacao powder if you have that. But I have this like raw beauty superfood thing from Hum Nutrition, and it tastes like mint chocolate chip, and it basically is like a supplement that helps boost energy, radiate skin, metabolism, all that kind of fun stuff. I've just had this for a while, so I'm just kind of using it. Definitely forgot to mention this, but add protein powder of your choice. Mine is just cookies and cream flavor. And a bunch of ice. I like mine really thick, so I just like move it down a bit for the pieces that didn't get blended. But I don't add more liquid, because I like it almost like a smoothie bowl. That consistency is perfect. This might be the best version I've ever made. I think it was like a little over half a cup of ice maybe, and the banana was frozen. So those are my 2 pieces of advice. Scoop down the things, like don't add more liquid unless you're literally about to break your blender. It's so refreshing. Whoa, that was fast. I'm nervous about this one.
Don't be. We're gonna feel it together.
Just finished audition number 1. This is like the actual audition. And then I've been doing Audrey Helps, Audrey Helps Actors. She's got this self-tape May challenge. We do 16 self-tapes in May. So we're doing a scene from Cruel Summer because I feel like this is a show that I could immediately be on.
Mm-hmm.
And I'd love to rehearse it first and then do it for realsies.
Okay.
Hey, Jeanette's an imposter. She didn't steal your life. She tried to, but she didn't. You're here now. You get to reclaim it.
Yeah, I'm here. Okay, I'm sure you're probably like, what the heck is going on? I had a real audition today, which was an emotional one, so I wanted to spend most of my morning kind of like prepping for that. I only did 2 takes, which I think is appropriate for a scene that is like of that caliber, and I had to mute it because it's a real audition. Olivia Rodrigo's album helped. I was like listening to that when I was getting ready because I was like, I need to be emotional for this, and like, boys suck. And then the second one that I did was a scene from Cruel Summer, and basically here's a little tip for any of my actor friends out there. If you don't listen to Audrey Helps Actors podcast, you need to, because it has helped me significantly in my acting career, just like learning more about the industry and getting like insider knowledge, because I don't really have a ton of friends in the industry. Like I've got an amazing acting community with my studio, but we don't really talk about business side of it like as often as I wish. So this podcast is a great freaking resource. What Audrey does is in May, she hosts Self-Tape May, where you have to put 16 tapes up. It's kind of similar to Olympians. Like Olympians practice and train every single day. I work out and train every single day. So I should also be working out and training my craft every single day. And Self-Tape May is a great way to get started if that's something that's like intimidating or daunting to think about, because I did it last year, and the year before that I was like, fuck no, am I not doing this? Like that's so much work. And last year I did it, and it helped me grow as an actor and just make my self-tape game like that much stronger. It's an incredible challenge. It helps you memorize lines a lot more quickly. Obviously you still want to put the work in as if it was an audition, as if it was a real project that you're cast in, but it helps you just condition yourself to be able to like get a 2-page script and then turn it around in like 30 minutes, which I've been trying to do. So in my training, I'm trying to treat it as if I get last minute auditions. So I look at the sides like 30 minutes before and then I put it up. It's like unbeatable. Like it's priceless. Like if I win and I get on the podcast, that's amazing. Audrey is fabulous. But if I don't, I'm just so proud of the work that I put in and like the commitment to the art. And that's what, you know, I'm on my soapbox right now. I'm sorry. I'm on my soapbox. It's happening. But this is like how you, like this separates you from anyone else that wants to pursue acting, is putting in the work, putting in the hours, and strengthening your skill level and your craft and your storytelling. It helps it also become more sustainable because there's very, unsustainable ways to kind of get into character, but this makes it so that you're like training yourself so you can just step into the world, step into the story, step into the character, and it doesn't affect you like physically or mentally, like in an unhealthy way. Because I think that's something that I've definitely, you hear the word method and you're like, yeah, I want to do that. I want to be a method actor. And then you realize, oh, I don't want to have to think of the things that I have to think of in order to be a method actor all the time. I want to just be able to do it and have it be sustainable and healthy. So that is my soapbox speech. I will link my self-tape. Sorry, I keep fucking with my hair. I will link my self-tape account in the description. I've now done 11 out of 16, so I'm hoping to be done by the end of this weekend because next week is going to be a really freaking busy week. So I want to do like 2 tomorrow and 2 on Sunday, which I can totally do. Wait, I have 5 left. I'll make it happen. But yeah, I'm going to get off my soapbox now. Just go listen to the podcast and go freaking book it. How many of you are actors? Comment down below. I'm cringy.